Hello guys, let's react to my popular vids. Let's go to the popular. Oh, I did remember this, my only cringe. So let's react to it. I take it off. No, my balls. Oh no, my. I'm kinda getting traumatized from saying my balls. Let's continue.
Please, I'm coming back next time.
We saved the day with our balls.
Yeah.
Why can't I stop saying balls, dude?
Yeah. Next time, I'll get back with my giant ball.
What's that, boys? Continue.
Catnip. I see it.
Okay, I didn't kinda remember this, boys. And why is it so squeaky? Bro, like, I'm a kinda copy that, boys. Oh my balls, bro. Tell me in the comments, is it the same voice or kinda getting not squeaky? Okay, let's continue.
What happened here? I don't know. How about let's sing today again? Yay! Power fist bump, my.
Sorry. Okay, next. 2K views, Attack on Titan, Eren Titan. Okay. Your brother is alive. Nah, that's not real, right? I didn't remember making him freeze. And why did that vine boom? Okay. Continue! Oh no. Wait. Oh. Okay, next. My secret power, 1.9k views. Okay. Okay, we're starting from running to flying. I did kind of remember this. Okay. Oh. That's it? Oh, no. Okay. Oh, the blue lightning. Rah! Oh, shit. Oh, yo. Wow. So nostalgic. That cartoon run, bro. The end. Okay. Next. Okay, 1k views. Ninja Funk. Okay. Gojo the Sorcerer. New account. 267 views. Okay. Whoa. Actually, while he's sitting on his back, that was kind of same. I copied Sukuna and Gojo doing that pose. Okay, start. Okay, flips again. Stick God has been replaced. 192 views. I did remember this. Wait. Wait, what the? Oh. Okay. Just so I can remember. Wait. 128 views. This hasn't had any animations. Just a song. Okay. Titan Eren again. 1, 2, 3 views. I'm gonna pause real quick because I need to pee. Okay. I'm back. So let's continue. Okay. Next. Part 3. 112 views. Okay. Oh wait, was the Skibidi toilet arc. Wait. 2024, July 14. Okay. My animation was weird because I was using twinning. Okay. Oh. That kick. Haha. I don't remember this scene in Dan Da Dan. 114 views. Wait. 114 views was supposed to be under 100. Bruh. Not. What? Okay. Oh, shit. Nice animation. How to animate a punch animation. 99 views. What? Okay. I think I'm trying to make the pulse ready. Why, this takes too long. Or if you want to finish it, go to my channel, Grow a Kid, with that blue or pink masks. And subscribe! My brother is dead and it made me mad, and 97 views turned me into my what? Form. Yo, yellow. At least it's not black. Oh wait, why am I weird, bro? What? What the heck? Okay. Bro, that craziness. Oh. Oh, it killed my brother. No, okay, that punch. Okay, that pat thing. Weird. Respect for execution. 94 views. Okay. If we're up to 77, never mind. That's Super Saiyan. I did remember this old Grandpa 201. Okay, white. It's absorbing the energy. Now we finish. Next. Something is wrong. They are all dead. They are not real. Okay. What the Whoa. That's amazing. They turn into no. Bro. Oh. Okay, it was floating. Now it fell. No. Okay, wait. I'm gonna watch this later. Wait.
Samantha, my new brace.
I like that. Sorry, no sound. What? Trying to jack. Oh. Day 1 started. Day 1, day 2, day 3. Okay, I'm alive again. Hey, yo! Bro, it can't animate well. 77 views. Nice. Okay, this should be the end. Goodbye.